Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Adha is not only about sacrificing animals. It teaches Muslims obedience to Allah, sacrifice, kindness, and helping poor people by sharing meat with others.
Muslims perform qurbani by Allah's command following Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam. It is an act of worship and faith, not cruelty or violence against animals.
Animals are slaughtered throughout the whole year for food industries and restaurants. So criticizing Muslims only during Azha is unfair and shows double standard.
Azha strongly supports the Indian economy, farmers, traders, butchers, transport workers and leather industries earn income and business during this festival.
During Azha, Muslims distribute meat among poor families, relatives and neighbors. This teaches equality, generosity, caring for others and social responsibility.
Azha is a festival of faith, charity, sacrifice and humanity. It supports millions of people and spreads the message of obedience, unity and compassion. Jazakallahu khaira.